Welcome back. My name is Mr. D and happy Friday. But I guess that really depends when you're watching this video, and it might not be a Friday. If it's not, well, tough for you. But it's Friday right now. It's Friday night and recording this next problem to help you get ready for your next assessment. One of the parts is going to be standard algorithm, which is what I learned when I was growing up way back, way too long ago in 4th grade. And now that I've learned area model and partial product, I find this one to be the least boring. But everyone has their own favorite way of multiplying. Let's do it. There's the standard. Multiply two-digit numbers. We're still doing that. And here's the problem. I'm going to change it up a little. You can see all the possible answers down there. Sometimes when you are solving the problem, we will just not even show you the answers. Why? Let's say your teacher gave you a problem and they want you to solve it, and then you bring it up, you show your teacher, and then the teacher sees a mistake right away. You don't see the mistake. Teacher does. Teacher gives the paper back, you have to go find it. That's exactly what this problem is. Let's go. Number 9. Two proper nouns, Emmanuel and Vicente. Hello. Both solved the same problem. Did they? 35, 36, 35, 36. Okay, they did. They're both multiplying, but one is using standard. I always have trouble spelling this. Algorithm. Boring. I'm just kidding. I have some students who really like this one, prefer this one. And then this one is area model, which is more visual. This is my fave. And a lot of students I have like this one too. Then, of course, we have partial product. Using different methods. There it is. There's the keyword. We have methods. This one is area model method. This one is standard algorithm method. Let's go to the question. Who, we have Emmanuel or Vicente, solved the problem, there's the most important word, incorrectly. Somebody made a mistake. Was it Emmanuel or Vicente? Let's find out. Mistake, incorrect. Now you can go down farther and see all the options, but if we just find the mistake, you will find the answer. Notice how for the possible solutions, it starts with each student. Does Emmanuel twice, Vicente twice. You see Emmanuel here, Vicente here. Then we can see the options, but let's just find the mistake. All right, now I have not recorded a lot of videos on standard algorithm. Just jump on YouTube, watch any standard algorithm video for 4th graders. I will coach you through it. Here we go. You have the ones and tens place. 6 ones times 5 ones. I'm just going to write on the side. 6 times 5 is 30. The 0 and the ones, the 3 and the tens. You put the 0 there. But you have to carry the 3. Now here's where I found that students run into trouble. Just like with adding, subtracting, the regrouping, and the carrying over, they make mistakes. That's why I prefer the area model, which I told you enough probably already. But let's go to the next step. 6. This isn't 6 times 3. This is 6 times 30, which is 180. But now we need to add the 3 tenths. So if we add the 3 tenths, you get 210, which you get right there. Okay? 6 times 5 is 30. Put the 0 there. Carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 3 more tens. 18 tens plus 3 tens is 21 tens, or 210. Okay? Let's go to the next one. We have 3. 3 times 5. But this is not 3. This is 3 tenths. That would be like saying this is 30 times 5. Okay? There's a 0 there. If we get rid of this 6, that's 30. 30 times 5. 30 times 5, well, 3 times 5 is 15, and I add a 0. This would be 150. See this 0? See the 5? And now we carry the 1 again for standard algorithm. 30 times 30. 3 times 3 is 9. Add the 1, I get 10. There's my 10. Okay. 0, 0, 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2. Okay, so Emmanuel did standard algorithm correctly. And again, if you haven't done a lot of standard algorithm, you can do it much faster, and there's more tricks. Okay, but for some students who've seen this for the first time, just keep in mind these are 1s and 10s. 1s and 10s. When you're multiplying 3 and 3, those are 3 10s and 3 10s. Okay, so this works. We're at 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Let's get cruising. Area model. 30 times 30. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 zeros. Works. This one is 30 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 0. This makes sense. This works. Nobody's made any mistakes. Emmanuel did standard algorithm correctly. Vicente has done area model correctly. Where is the mistake? 6 times 30. 6 times 3 is 18. Add the 0. Oh no! We found it! I think. Where's the 0, Vicente? 6 times 30. 6 times 30 is 180. There's a mistake right there. 1 0, and that was it. 5 times 6. 30. This is the mistake. Emmanuel, great job. Vicente, don't leave out that 0. I'm just going to, I know in the past we've highlighted all the numbers, but here was the mistake. Vicente made the problem wrong. So he would have to go back from the teacher, redo it, figure it out, and find it. So immediately when we look at the answers, we know that Emmanuel did it correct, because this says who solved the problem incorrectly. We know Vicente solved it incorrectly, so it can't be Emmanuel, regardless of what is said here. Just even ignore it. So let's see what Vicente did in these two options. Vicente did, because only 2 numbers should be added together. That's confusing. There should be 4 numbers added together. Okay. Vicente did because 30 times 6, 30 times 6, remember we're multiplying, should be 180 and not 18. That's what we found. That is the mistake. So Vicente needs to practice a lot more. Okay, remember the names, I just picked the names. I do have a couple of these students in class and just having some fun with it. They're both amazing students. Okay, you can put any name in, doesn't matter. I could put Mr. D and another teacher in there. It really doesn't matter. But this student made this mistake right there. Okay, that was 8 minutes. Have a good weekend if it is the weekend for you. If not, and it's Monday, well, tough luck for you. Okay, listen to the recording on a Friday maybe. Happy Friday. Later.